New contracts happened this week compared to last year this time. Buyer home tours fell this report 4.7% from last year this time. It's Friday, July 25th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Cecil, Dorchester, Queen Anne's, and Wicomico counties have moderate buyer activity. Caroline, Talbot, Worcester counties are steady, while Kent and Somerset counties are slow. Inventory fell 2% to 2,157 units for sale this report, but is up 29% year over year. 129 properties are coming soon, a rise from last week. Homes going under contract fell 14% to 170 units, rising to 33 days before a seller receives a contract, and at a median $374,950. 134 homes settled at 97.9% list to sold ratio, with days before contract at 22 days and a median $395,000. 124 homes are for lease at a median $2,100 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, July 25th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Stay cool. I'll see you next week.